How to fix AirPod one side louder than the other. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix AirPods one side louder than the other. So let's begin. So the very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your AirPod is clean. So make sure to open it first and then look at your AirPod and make sure that there is no um, earwax right here or impacted earwax. So make sure to look at it and then as well as right here and also right here. So if you want to clean your AirPods, so you may take a Q-tip like this one. So you may try to clean it right here. You may use your I recommend you would use some alcohol. So you may use alcohol and clean the AirPods like this one and then as well as this one. Also make sure to clean the other one. So open your AirPods once again and then make sure to clean this part as well as this one and the part right here as well. And then once you have cleaned your AirPods, you should wait for it to dry up. So since you used alcohol, it will take a shorter time to um, get dry compared to the water. So also you should try to clean the charging case as well. So clean this thing up, the inside of this one, as well as this one and this one right here. And again, by using your Q-tip, you may insert it right here. So apply water or um alcohol, whatever you want. So clean right here and then right here and then wait for it to dry up and try your AirPods once again. However, if the problem still continues, please go to the nearest Apple or Mac Center for more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix AirPods one side louder than the other. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.